just got it in, bought it from out in Sturgis, South Dakota, come out of Deadwood area. Interior's in really nice shape. Body's rusty. We're just driving. I've been sitting for a while, so got to do a little bit of work to the engine, see that needs some work or whatever. Runs a little rough currently, but we haven't tuned it up or anything, so it could be old gas, could be plugs and wires. But just showing you it does run and drive. $73,660 just from some records we found inside. We know that is $173,660, which on all these you can pretty much assume they're over 100,000 miles, which we did find some records that does show this one is over. So try to be very transparent as we can. This is an AC truck, four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive works. We tried it. Turn around here at the corner. Brakes work good. Steering works good. Steering wheel is off a little bit. Not first to second. Second to third. So transmission shifts good. So we'll get a look at this engine and see what we got there. Currently, if we buy it before we get looked at, it does run rough. 605-695-7391.